To help us use powered industrial trucks safely, OSHA created the Powered Industrial Truck Standard. One of the most significant parts of this regulation deals with training. Before you can use any type of powered industrial truck, OSHA requires that you be fully trained, evaluated, and certified by a competent instructor. Your certification process will include instruction on safety procedures and training on how to operate the industrial trucks that you'll be using. You will also have supervised driving practice. Your knowledge and ability will be reevaluated at least once every 3 years. At this time, you will also receive any retraining that may be necessary. Additionally, OSHA requires retraining anytime you are observed being unsafe, have a close call, or are involved in an accident. Retraining is also required whenever there is a change in your workplace that could affect your ability to operate your truck safely.